Hey folks, this is Justin from the Leonidas Knives and Gear channel, and I just want to do a quick video about my first custom AR build. And this one was built between myself and my wife back right before the November 2016 election for the United States. And if you were not around for that election, boy, that was a doozy. So we were getting prepared for all kinds of craziness. I thought it was a good time to go ahead and try to slap together an AR. And this one turned out quite nicely. Now, it hasn't seen as much range time as my personal AR, which is a Mossberg modern rifle. And I'm not even sure if Mossberg even makes them anymore, but that one's been pretty good to me. Now, as for this one, you can obviously tell that it is my wife's because of the lovely blue accents, which I really like. Just basic Rust-Oleum paint, and I think it was clear coated, so it's held up very well. And obviously got the magazines set for her with a little blue triangle, so we know who's a pretty sweet rifle. But I realized I never really did or put anything up about it on my YouTube channel, so I just want to do a quick video. And I was going through some old footage on my phone and saw some old shooting videos of this, I think back roughly shortly after we got finished building this. So I wanted to add that on at the end of this video, but just to say a few brief words about this rifle. And actually, before I go into anything more, I will let you all know the rifle is on safe. It does have a loaded magazine, but the chamber is open. The upper is a Davidson Defense. Honestly, not real familiar with them, but seemed like a really nice upper at the time and was a pretty fair price. So that is a Davidson Defense. Now, what's really different about this rifle is, I'll get a little closer here. The lower here is a flat dark earth, which is awesome, but what's really special is the lower is a polymer material, which is very rare. Not sure if that's being done anymore. I went to actually check up on this particular model just today, and it has been discontinued. It is a FMK AR1 polymer lower, and like I said, that one's been discontinued. At the time we were building this, you could find more AR polymer lowers. Like I said, I'm not sure if you can. The lower has been fantastic with this rifle. Not to mention, you know, having a lower weight of the rifle. I haven't weighed this one out, but it is a fairly lightweight rifle. But yeah, I just like the way it looks. It looks pretty neat. You know, kind of like the way Glock is built. You know, Glock has the lower polymer frame, steel slide. So kind of the same idea, the same concept. But yeah, I thought that was super neat. Just, you know, basic parts and odds and ends on here. Mag pull, flip up sights, basic mil spec butt stock. I think the grip here, the pistol grip was, I think US Palm used to make them, but this was bought as a Tango Down. I'm not really sure the differences there. Maybe Tango Down has the rights or something. A recent addition was a new muzzle brake. I forgot to mention that. I put that on a couple months back. So this muzzle brake has not been on this rifle for a very long time, and that is a KAK Industry, if I get this right, slimline micro flash can, and that is a really neat little flash hider compensator and works really well. Really liked using it. Definitely decreased some of the recoil, which recoil was not bad in this rifle, but again, this is not my personal rifle. Really awesome shooter, good weight, overall good balanced rifle, easy to handle, easy to work with, good, solid, mostly premium parts. The only thing I would question is the trigger assembly kit. I do not remember who that was made by. I got it off of eBay. I think it was a USA made one. But other than that, that's the only parts I have in question. It's a really smooth rifle.